Day skincare lovers, welcome. It's your girl Asha and Moon with one of the finest African skin product, the black soap. Follow me. For about a week now, I've been sensing transformation with my skin. It reduced my inflammation, black spots are fading, and my irritations are gone. It totally rejuvenated my skin. I can tell you this, it's soothing on all skin types. Don't forget, forever more glowing skin. It's 100% organic, locally made with natural oil plants. Here is what you need to do. Apply any black African skin product gently for about 30 seconds. Once it's time, rinse gently with lukewarm water. Reason being, hot water dries out your skin. So let's use the black soap so it protects your skin from any radical change and bring out that African glow in you.